Hi and Assalamualaikum. This is our report presentation for BST505 Building Pathology and Surveying. Without further ado, let's move to the building background first.
So for the building background, the building's name is QS Department, Faculty of Built Environments. So this type of building is a public building for educational purpose. So why we choose this building? Because this building was just because it has previously received a complaint regarding to the visible stains and deterioration on the exterior wall surface. So the inspection was carried out to identify the causes of the defect, assess the current condition, and recommend the suitable remedial action to prevent further damage and maintain the building appearance and performance. So on the right side, you can see the key plan, location plan, also the site plan of the building.
During the defect inspections, we follow two main protocols. First, we conduct a visual inspections to identify obvious defects. Next, we perform non-destructive testing, which allow us to investigate deeper without causing a damage. The third protocol, destructive testing, was available but not needed for these inspections. To support this inspection, we use two main tools, which is a camera phone was used to capture photo of defects, and a moisture meter allow us to detect dampness or water-related issues. The third tool, a digital caliper, was not used in these inspections. The inspection itself followed a systematic flow. We started from the center area, moved to the left wing, and then continued to the right wing. Each room and corridor along this road was carefully checked, following the green arrow pad shown in the diagram. My name is Siti Nur Fatimah. As shown in the picture defect lines, there are brown stain and holes on the gypsum ceilings, indicating moisture penetration and water damage. Moisture patches are visible across several areas, suggesting that water has been accumulated above the ceilings, commonly due to the roof leaks or the condensation from the HVAC system. If this issue is not addressed, the ceiling may continue to deteriorate, leading to sagging, collapse, and possible fungal growth, which can pose health risks. Typical symptoms include brown stain, peeling paint, bubbling plaster, and in this case, multiple holes where the damage is severe. The causes usually involve the leaking pipes, drainage issue, or roof waterproofing failure. To prevent this defect, regular inspection of the roof, plumbing, and HVAC system are essential, along with applying waterproof coating in the leak-prone areas. For the remedial works, we must locate and repair any roof leaks, reseal joints, and apply new waterproof coating. HVAC duct and drainage line should be checked for the leaks or blockage, and the condensation drain must be clear. All damaged ceiling boards should be replaced and the area full dried and repaint with moisture resistant and anti-foul coating. Finally, ongoing maintenance is the key to prevent it happens again. In conclusions, the damp mark on the ceilings indicate ongoing moisture interactions, which can cause wooden stage rot and disrupt projector-based teachings. The early repair, regular inspections, and effective waterproofing are essential to prevent further damage and ensure a safe, functional teaching environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nabila Rahman. Today I will be presenting a second defect that has been found in QS building. The defect that we found is on the fire red dot, which is a severe rusting and corrosion on the metal surface frame and hinge. This problem affects the door appearance, weaken its operation, and reduce its fire resistant performance. The corrosion is mainly caused by water infiltration from above the door frame due to roof or wall leakage, allowing moisture to remain on the metal components. If it left untreated, the door may fail to meet fire safety standard, become misaligned, difficult to operate, and may not function properly in an emergency. The symptoms include reddish-brown rust stain and stiff or rough door movement. Key causes are prolonged water exposure, poor maintenance, lack of protective coating, and high humidity level. Prevention include regular maintenance, anti-corrosive replating, good ventilation, and checking for leaks. Remedial work section involve repairing the source of the leak, removing rust, applying the rust inhibitor, repainting with anti-rust coating, and replacing damaged hardware. In several cases, a full door replacement may be required. In conclusion, early detection and proper maintenance are important to preserve the integrity of fire red door and to maintain the building safety standard.
My name is Farid Fikri bin Abdul Jalil. During this inspection, the defect found is discoloration caused by dampness on the external wall. We can see brownish stain and patches, especially below windows and near the floor. This happens due to water penetration, poor waterproofing, and inadequate drainage, which encourage algae, mold, and rust stains to form. If not treated, the problem can worsen and lead to peeling paint, concrete spalling, and even reinforcement corrosion. The symptoms include brown or green stains, damp surface, and algae or mold growth. The main causes are poor waterproofing, drainage overflow, and continuous rain exposure. To prevent this, we need good waterproof coating, proper drainage maintenance, and regular inspection. For remedial work, the wall should be cleaned, old paint removed, treated with antifungal solution, allowed to dry and repaint with waterproof paint. Drainage and balcony outlets also need to be repaired to stop water from flowing onto the wall. In conclusion, the discoloration on the external wall is mainly caused by dampness due to poor waterproofing and drainage issues. If left untreated, it can lead more serious damage to the building surface. Proper maintenance, waterproof protection, and timely repairs are essential to prevent the defect from recurring and to ensure the wall remains in good condition. Overall, the major defects that we have found in the QS building is corrosion on the fire-rated door, the marks on the gypsum ceiling, and wall discoloration. All point to moisture intrusion and poor water management. If not addressed, these issues can lead to structural damage, safety risks, and recurring maintenance problems. Timely repairs, proper waterproofing, and regular inspection are essential to prevent further deterioration and ensure the building remains safe, functional, and keeps the aesthetic value. That's all from us. Thank you so much.